recap of today's trade. As you know earlier, we already called out the areas we were interested in: 530.29, 530.4, and of course, I pointed out here that I would be interested in a trade below the 529 area. Now we had a couple of competing algos that we were looking at. We had this controlled buying selling algo that would bring to an area of supply coming from an area of demand. We went from that area of supply down to the area of demand and bounced out of that area of demand. So now essentially from this controlled buying algo, we broke that and went into a controlled selling algo right here. Go ahead and get that out of the way so you can see that. So now we're in a controlled selling algo. Now within this controlled selling algo, we had a false breakdown where the early bears jumped on in and they got squeezed and were used as liquidity. Okay, we got to the top of that controlled selling algo. Okay, and within that we had another algo of controlled buying. And when we broke that controlled buying algo, this was a great opportunity to take the put, but I wanted a little bit more than confirmation, as we did get the confirmation in this candle as it broke out of this small controlled buying, stayed in the controlled selling, busted out of that, giving us the confirmation. But where I got in was on the continuation play, and it was this continuation play that I was able to make very substantial amount of money. One trade taken today, called it out, waited for it all day. When the opportunity came, we aimed and fired and took the trade very, very easily and predictably. Now, one thing that I want to look at is where could I have gotten in this earlier at? And to be honest, I do want to say potentially that I could have gotten in here. And the reason I'm saying that is because once I identified this controlled buying in here, but still saw that we had closed underneath VWAP, and that second continuation candle, okay, was also happening outside of controlled buying, and that was a huge flush. But I didn't want to be anticipatory, so I waited to get that confirmation. And as you know, we do here, we get on not with the confirmation but with the continuation. Very nice trade on the continuation. Thank you guys for taking the time to review this. We go live every day from 9:25 to 11, and sometimes we come back now because there have been a lot of plays in the afternoon where the trades have been presenting themselves to us. Please feel free to subscribe and join, hit the notification so you'll be notified when we go live. This is Abdul Shabazz thanking you for watching this trade recap. Bye for now.